My name is Jaimi. Today I am going to talk about joints. Friends, do you know what are the definitions of joint? Now let's see. Here I have two types of definition for joints. The first definition is a point at which parts of an artificial structure are joined is a definition of joint. The second type of definition for joint is a structure in the human or animal body at which two parts of the skeleton are fitted together. Now let's see the types of joint. The first type of joint is ball and socket joint. Here I have an example for ball and socket joint. The second type of joint is pivot joint. Here I have an example for pivot joint. The third type of joint is fixed joint. Here I have an example for fixed joint. The fourth type of joint is hinge joint. Here I have an example for hinge joint. Friends, there are four types of joints. Now let's see what is a ball and socket joint. A natural or manufactured joint or coupling such as the hip joint in which a partial spherical end lies in a socket allowing multi-directional movement and rotation. Here I have examples for ball and socket joint. The first example is shoulder bones. The second example is knee bone. Now let's see what is a pivot joint. A pivot joint is a synovial joint in which the ends of two bones meet, one end being a central bony cylinder, the other end being a ring or a ring-like structure made of bone and ligament. Here I have example for pivot joint. The first example is median allentoaxial joint. The second example is distal radionuclear joint. Now let's see what is a hinge joint. A hinge joint is a common class of synovial joint that includes the ankle, elbow, and knee joints. Hinge joints are formed between two or more bones where the bones can only move along one axis to flex or extend. Here I have an examples for hinge joint. The first example is elbow. The second example is ankle. Now let's see what is a fixed joint. Joints that are not movable are called fixed joints. They are immovable. Examples are skull. The second example is underbone. Thank you.